and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking from the Betty Crocker Lost Recipes cookbook and making a slow cooker Sauerbraten beef. The ingredients I'll be using are 2 pounds of cubed up chuck roast that I've cut into roughly 2-inch size cubes. I've got 2 medium onions that I've diced up, 1 cup of red wine vinegar. I'll be using 1 cup of beef stock and 2 bay leaves, and then later on I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 15 gingersnap cookies, and I'll also cook up about 6 cups worth of egg noodles. So those are going to be all of our ingredients. Let me get some of these moved out of my way. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my slow cooker base. For the moment, all I'm going to add into it are my beef cubes and the 2 cups of onions, the 1 cup of red wine vinegar, and 1 cup of beef stock. I'm also going to drop in my 2 bay leaves. That's all that's going to go into the slow cooker for the minute. Again, we'll be adding the brown sugar and the ginger snaps later on once the beef is totally cooked. But it needs to simmer away for about 7 to 9 hours on low. Or if you're starting it later in the day like I am, I'm going to do it for about 4.5 hours on high. After about 4.5 hours on high, the meat is nice and tender. I've gone ahead and pulled the 2 bay leaves out, and now it's time to add in the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of ground up ginger snap cookies. That was roughly about 15 of those cookies. Wow, those ginger cookies really got it foaming up, didn't it? That's kind of cool, actually. But I'm going to let these sit here and simmer for another 15 minutes, and then they will be ready to serve. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles cooked up according to the package directions. I've gone ahead and plated up the Sauerbraten, and I just am serving it over a little bit of noodles today. I will be making a little side salad to go along with this here in a little bit. But that's not what we're concerned about. We are concerned about the taste of the Sauerbraten itself. I will say I do like how the ginger snaps really thickened up the remaining broth that was still in the slow cooker after cooking for 4.5 hours. The meat is just fall apart tender, and I really can't wait to get in here and give it a try. I've got to say, this dish is absolutely incredible. I love all the flavors going on in here, and I really like what the vinegar did to the meat while it was cooking. It is so tender, it literally just melts in your mouth. And again, I like what the ginger snaps did to help form a nice gravy by adding those in. They add a lovely little bit of sweetness to it to help counterbalance some of that vinegar. And overall, it's an absolutely phenomenal dish, and I really hope you give it a try soon. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys try this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Bob Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.